Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I normally do DIYs, and this video is going to be about organizing and rearranging my office. And the office is right behind me. So I have these empty walls right here, this one, and this one back here. For Christmas, I got a Cricut and I'm absolutely enjoying it so much. I love it, love it, love it. But I don't have any table room to do my crafts or to do t-shirts and things like that. I do have a craft room, but I didn't want to put my Cricut over there because there's always a lot of things going on in that craft room. I always have just a lot of stuff that accumulates. If you're a crafter, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I just wanted a room where I would just put my Cricut and just work on Cricut things, labels, t-shirts like that. So I decided to go ahead and rearrange my office. I purchased a table desk really from Amazon. And so I put it together and I'm gonna be putting that along one of these walls. And I also have another desk. Both of the desks that I'm gonna be putting in this office are from Amazon. I ordered one probably a year ago, and then just recently I ordered this other desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below in case you like the desk, how they look, and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I'm just pointing out where I freed up these two walls right here. And I actually had my desk right in the center of my office, but I went ahead and I moved it to the right, and it's this one right here. Please excuse the mess. I had to just put everything on there when I moved it. So I put it in front of the window because I really love to be looking out the window as I'm working. So I put it there, and it really freed up those two walls to be able to bring the two desks in. Okay, so here I come with this older desk, and I decided to put it against this wall right here. This is where I'm gonna put all my vinyl and things like that. And here's now the second desk, and this is the newest one that I purchased. Now, I really liked this table because it's very long and it just really can be used for so many things. I'm gonna actually put my EasyPress there and also my Cricut. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my vinyl on this older desk right there. These right here are from Dollar Tree, and they're to put your dishes. It's a little dish rack. These work out really well to organize your vinyl rolls. So I was storing my vinyl rolls on the dish rack, and I just had them laying as the dish rack is supposed to sit, but then I decided to stand them up and then slip the rolls in that way as you see me arrange them there. And here comes Molly, my baby girl, and she just likes to investigate everything that I'm doing because she's nosy that way. And I also decided to put my laptop here on this same table where I have my vinyl. And then I decided to put this floor lamp between both desks. That way it'll give me light to both of them. And here I'm just showing you the dish racks just so that you can see them up close. These have really come in really handy. I also used them to store other items as well. These little containers are also from Dollar Tree as well as the dish racks. Now these come in a pack of 2, and what I did is put in my little accessories that I need for working with all my vinyls. This here is a weeding pen, and I purchased this on Amazon. I am really enjoying this. I'll go ahead and link all the items that I've purchased so far on Amazon that has to do with vinyls and anything that has to do with Cricut accessories. These came in a pack of 2. And this is one of my favorite things that I ordered from Amazon. It's like a weeding vinyl ring. I don't really know what to call it, but it is a ring, and it's so convenient to be weeding and then just putting in your little scraps in there. So I'll go ahead and link that one also down below. So as you can see, these little containers come in really handy, and they really come out to 50 cents a piece. This older desk has 2 drawers, and I really love them because you can store a lot of things in here. Now, what I first decided to do is to put my sheet vinyls in there. So that's where I'm going to store them in the meantime. But stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you where I put my vinyl sheets totally in a different place. I changed my mind like I always do. I'm also going to be using these Dollar Tree removable hooks. I'll be using them to hang these mats. Now, this one that's smaller is no problem, but then I have this big long one, and I really didn't know where to store it other than just hanging them on the wall somewhere. But I'm not gonna hang it on the wall per se. I'm gonna put it on my bookcase right there on the side. That way the glue wouldn't hurt my wall. Now, I also purchased these long mats on Amazon. I'll go and link them also down below. And I've been using them and they work really well. They're an off-brand, so they're not expensive at all. When I finally got done, this is how my office turned out. Now, as you can see, the desk that is the older desk has the vinyl, and then I have my desk off to the right. And like I said, I love it because it's looking out the window, but it really looks very spacious, and my office really is not that big. But the way that I rearranged everything made it possible for me to have 3 desks in here and it not be crowded at all. So here, like I said, I have a lamp and it gives light to both of the desks. And here is my Cricut. And then my EasyPress is off to the side end of the table. And then here I have my mats hanging off the bookshelf. And it really worked out well because this gives me a good table to iron my iron-ons or to weed the vinyl. It's just a really functional desk. I'm really loving it. Now, this is just a cubicle that I had and I just put it in there. Really, it's just the table with the 4 legs. It doesn't come with a shelving. And this I wanted to show you is just a little hard box that I've had for a long time. And basically I'm using it as a vinyl trash can. When I am weeding vinyl, I put all the excess pieces in there that are pretty large. And then when I'm done, I close it up and it's just a nice little pretty hard box. And so this is how this looks now. And I'm really loving my newly arranged office. Here on this desk, on one drawer, I have some vinyl. And then on the second drawer, that's where I have my little storage containers that have all the accessories for my Cricut. And so here is one final look and how I arranged everything. I really love putting the mats there on the bookcase. Here's my desk. Once again, this is very old. And then off to the side, I have this antique little buffet thing that I had purchased at an antique shop. So here what I did is just as extra storage. I have my printer there, and you can also see my rain boots. How about that? And so I have it here off to the side, and I just put this real pretty vase that I had. I really love that blue color. And so really that is it. I thought I was done with my office, but no, I decided to purchase this cart that has 10 drawers, and I purchased this on Amazon as well. And I love it because it can store all my sheet vinyl in there, and you can organize them by color or by patterns, really whatever you'd like to do. I do have my rolls up at the top still in the dish racks, but the vinyl sheet squares fit perfectly in these drawers. Well, that's it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also like and share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye, and God bless.